Hello guys, welcome back. We are in our final studio. You can take your first little look as I get it all together. Currently it is thunderstorming heavily outside, so I'm sorry if there's any noise. But I was just making new collage kits. I'm loving all of these ones. They were so fun to make. But looking at all the papers got me so inspired, and I have a big art show coming up in 3 weeks. I'm supposed to be preparing for it, but I actually just really want to create right now. So I think today, instead of doing that, we're going to be creating. So I need to be able to figure out kind of what I want to work on. Also, don't mind my finger. I sprained it and it's been so annoying. I thought this photo would look really good just framed, honestly. This one is incredible. I definitely want to use this at some point. Could also do like a little underwater one. Also really drawn to this, like these 3 images I think are great. They would make a great 3-piece series. And then I also have these. I put these in every collage kit that I have right now. I have this like little stamp encyclopedia / money encyclopedia. So I think that these could go like nicely behind them. I'm just not sure what else we could add. So this is what I'm thinking. I have these. These are like a 4x6 piece of wood. This is actually my old desk, but it's a really nice piece of wood, so I've decided to reuse it. But I wonder if we use 3 of these. The paper's just a bit smaller than this, so we could definitely cut it. And then I have my big bin of scraps here, and I wonder if we should just make some pieces that are abstracts. And I think that's a great idea because I need a lot more small pieces. First and foremost, I'm gonna cut out these. So I'm definitely liking the look of these. I think that I need to get them glued down just so I can figure out exactly where they need to go. But I think like this one almost being here is almost like a halo. And then I think these 2 have like a very interesting feel where there's this like cut down the middle and you kind of have these different sides to it. But now we got to figure out what goes in with these. First thing I'm going to do though is glue these down so that we don't need to worry about like what edges are going to be missing on them. I think something like this. And then it's just a very small edge that we need to fix. And I'm actually just going to be using a glue stick. I know it's kind of funny, but this one already has like a thick covering on it, so it should be fine. And I'm going to cover it as much as I can. Honestly, it's going on very nicely. I would try and do a matte medium. This could really work well on here, but I'm not going to risk it. These papers are from like the early 1900s. For this one, I'm just going to try to have some fun with it, so I'm not going to be too worried about planning too much. We'll see how this works out, I guess, but kind of interesting. I kind of like it. I'm kind of just trying to go with the flow, so maybe we'll just go with the flow. I think sometimes pieces work because the like colors more than the actual composition. I definitely feel like this is one of those where I saw the yellow and I saw this and I was just like, oh, that matches. Okay, that's piece number 1 done, which is great. I feel like I did that so fast and I have like more inspiration for where to go with the other ones. Okay, now we have this one. I kind of feel like her head should be in here. And then I have this piece, it kind of looks like, you know, the United States colors. Kind of works. Don't have to go as high. I like the flowers behind her too, so I just left them. Something like that kind of works. I feel like this one with the stripes at the bottom could mean that there's like a lot of different stripes like across the piece or like coming from different angles like that. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and then how are we going to make this one as amazing? I'm basically just like lifting it and you can see the shadow behind and trying to do it as straight as possible. Looks pretty good. Okay, so I feel like this color will work because it's like a turquoise, which I think always goes nice with a pink. Kind of good, it fills in the hole. Usually when I'm making abstract pieces like this, I usually just try a bunch, but I usually stick to like colors and see if they work or not. And then I also really like to use shape where it like will follow the lines of something else. Like here, I feel like having these at the same angle, for example, or like this one makes it work. I don't really know if I like that one enough. It's like a castle. I could use some of this again because we have pinks, but I'm probably not going to. Yeah, see how I'm trying to look for color? This one could work. Let's see. This is from the same cover. I feel like these could actually work. To match one of the other ones, it'll need to have like a stripe of some sort. Could just put like a bunch of stripes. I really like this one for the background right now. I mean, that looks kind of cool. I feel like I should just glue down this blue piece and maybe a strip of this and see what happens. I feel like this works pretty well. I'm wondering if I need to put one more and have it like covering, like it's coming from behind. Oh my gosh. varnish. Something like that. I think it's kind of cool. Okay, we have our 3 pieces. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. So just as the sun's coming out, it's still pouring rain though. I've finished all 3 of these pieces. It's been so long since I created, so I'm not surprised that I was able to make 3 in one sitting. I'm really liking where these are going. I love the abstraction of them. I think that I could make a lot more of these. And now I have to debate if I want to resin them or just finish them with a gloss varnish. Lots to think about, but in the meantime, these will be available at my show that's on May 15th. If you're in Dallas, let me know. I have free tickets. And if not, these will be available at the time the show starts. If you have any questions, put them down below. I'm more than happy to answer them. As I said, the collage kits have now been restocked on my website. Go check them out, and I'll see you guys next week.